Kathy with the Enchanted Quilt, and welcome to our inventory unboxing this week. And if you look, we've got quite a few boxes in this week, so let's get going. Reminder to everybody who's signed up for Strip Club, it is tomorrow morning, so don't forget. Okay, speaking of Strip Club, we got the Strip Tube ruler in. That's the junior, and this is the regular. We got a couple more of the Swan Island patterns by Elizabeth Hartman. We sold out of these earlier. This is the Fanfare. It's called a block of the month. Here, I can show you on the back what it looks like. Designed by this young lady. She's very talented. And then we got another Farm Girl Vintage bookend. So I better move these out of the way so we have space. Alright, let's see. We got some right-handed Martelli cutters. This is the cutter that I like to use. We got in the Coffee Cafe charm packs by Wilmington Prints. We have the strip packs, and I've ordered these. A lot of nice neutral colors. And we got in the 6.5 by 24.5 inch creative grid rulers. We were out of these, so I ordered some of those. Oops, I just knocked everything off. All right, we got some of the 17-inch woolly mats in. These have been back ordered for I don't know how long. And then you'll see here in a little bit that we'll probably have some more of those because I would order them forgetting that I ordered them, and then I ordered them again. So we'll have plenty now. Okay. Alright, we got some more of the strip packs for the Coffee Cafe that go with the 5-inch squares. We were just about out of those. And then we got in the pink strips called Pinking of You. That's a little bit of a play on words there. Get these little ones out of the way before we do the big ones. Alright, we got some BQ5 patterns, and I know they're ugly on the front, but you need to come in and look at the one we have made up. This is great for big prints. And then we got the Plain and Fancy. It's like a Dresden plate that is made with her new line of fabric that has not come out yet. And we got the Klutz gloves in. Now, as it indicates, it's for those of us that cannot seem to keep our fingers out of the way when we are cutting. So we've got these in, these come in medium and large, I believe. So we've got these if you feel like you can't trust yourself when you're cutting, because I promise you, you do not want to cut the end of your finger off. And we got some more of the 100 count quilting pins in that everybody, we can't seem to keep these in, everybody loves them. Okay, let's see. Gotta be careful I don't cut too deep, or I'll cut into something I might not want to cut into. Oh, this is fun. Okay, I think I'm going to have to move it back so I can get it out. Okay. All right, I'm going to have to take this off so you can see it. This fabric And as you know, we don't carry much in the way of kids stuff because it just doesn't sell. The young girls today want to do everything in boring colors like browns and grays, and they don't do traditional stuff. So we don't carry a lot of children's stuff because of it. But I have looked at this for years, literally. This lady, her company's name is Susie B, and she has these wonderful, wonderful children's panels, and she reprints. And so this is kind of her standby. Let me see if I can open up. This is the blue one. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to chenille this. So it ought to be done here pretty shortly. I don't know if I can get this open so you can see it. This had the blue background. Of course, I've got him upside down, and now you probably can't see him that way. And it's a 1 yard panel. 1 yard by 44. Okay. There. Finally. So hopefully you can see that. Okay, that's the blue one. Sit it down there. And then we got it with the pink background. But this gal, if you have never heard of her, look her up online. You'll be able to see she had an elephant, and she's had a turtle and a giraffe, and she has retired a couple of her designs, but the best-selling ones she's kept around, and this is probably her best-selling one. This pink one is really cute because I'm partial to pink, so there's the pink one. Okay. All right, and everybody likes sewing fabric. This is put out by Benartex, I do believe. I think so. I think it's Benartex. And that one's really cute with those colorful sewing machines. And then here's a coordinate. It is the red background with all the sewing accessories, scissors and buttons and pin cushions. Okay, now this one I'm going to probably have to open up for you to see it. This is wonderful stuff. So, y'all know we started carrying the Minky, or the Cuddle in this case, because this is from Shannon, and Shannon calls theirs Cuddle. And oh, well, there's another box. And some of you may have seen the panels that are done on cotton by Hoffman, and they're digital prints. Now this is a Minky, or the Cuddle, and it is a digital print on the Cuddle. And these are 1 yard panels. But there is a pillow. There's a separation here where you can make a pillow, or 2 pillows, I think. Let's see if I can open this enough so you can see it. Okay. But it's called, the line is called Dream Big. Can I get that high enough? Is that high enough, Lisa?
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful? All right, so got those. And to knock my box over, it has one more thing in it. We got a big, it's called the Big Book of Lap Quilts. They have a lot of different books out called the Big Book of, and I bet they have at least a half a dozen, and we've had most of them in here at some point. But this is the latest one, and they're just all different techniques. I saw a log cabin went in there when I flipped through earlier. But you get 51. There's 51 patterns in there. That's a lot of patterns for a book. some replenishing of our basics. This is the Bella Solid in porcelain, but we've always carried the regular porcelain, and it's back ordered until like April sometime, and we use this a lot. So they had another one called Porcelain Silky. Now if you're familiar with the solids, there's a black, and then there's a black, what's it called? Black, soft black, and it has like a little sheen on it. This is the same thing. This one's called Silky Porcelain, but to be perfectly honest with you, it's pretty, but I don't see the difference. I guess I'd have to see them side by side. Right there. And then we got another bolt of muslin, the wide muslin. It's 120 inches, and it is the 200 count muslin. It's that royal fine, very, very nice feeling muslin for backings. Okay, I don't know if I can, I'm not sure I can hoist this one up there. Let's see. Okay, we sent out a newsletter yesterday with a new kit, and we've been talking about it when we've gotten them in. I was fortunate enough to be able to get one more after my initial order, and that's it. So then I decided I was going to go ahead and order the fabric, and we were going to make our own. But I really had my doubts whether I was going to be able to get the fabric. But I got lucky, and I was able to get all the fabrics that I needed. And up here on the wall, that's our sample. It's 48 by 63? 60. 48 by 63. So it's not extremely big, but it is taller than me, because I tried to hold it up last night and realized how big it was. It doesn't look very big. It looks smaller when it's hanging up. So anyway, we were able to get the fabric, and we'll be doing up kits once I get the patterns. So now the patterns are back ordered. So trying to coordinate all this, that we get it all in, is somewhat difficult, but I'm going to let you see the fabrics. And I am going to tell you, because Moda's fabrics are like they are, we can't reorder. We are not going to sell additional fabric with this kit until, I'm going to set this one aside a minute. We're not going to sell additional fabrics until we are done making the kits. This isn't part of it. That's a marble that we were out of, and they put it in the same box. But the line's name is Land That I Love. And I'm going to open the panel here in a minute so you can see it. There. But it has a barn and a red truck and a tractor and a chicken and a windmill. And this is also a 1 yard panel. Let's see. I'm going to turn it the other way so you can see it. It's kind of awkward today, so I can open these up and show you. Kind of get an idea of what it looks like. It's really a nice panel. Oh, I can't pick this box up. All right, these have been on back order so long I forgot that I had ordered them. These are those market baskets. These are the teal colored, which seems to be the color of the year because everybody loves this teal. But I'm going to open one so you can see it. Open it up, and you punch this down, and now you've got a nice basket. It has nice little pegs on the bottom so you don't get it all dirty. So we got 2 of those in. Like I said, I forgot that I even had ordered them. And we've got more of the woolly mats. We've got the 13s and the 17s. So now we're stocked up. So if you were wanting one of these, we've got them in now. So there's that. As you can see, it's been a busy week. So with that, let's do our drawing. Miss Quilty's out. She had some minor surgery. So we're a little short-handed, so I'm going to have to do it. Malvina Christ. Hope I pronounced your name right. You are the winner of our $10 gift certificate, and I'll pop that in the mail to you on Monday. With that, I'll see some of you people tomorrow at Strip Club, and hopefully I'll see the rest of you soon. Thanks, and have a great weekend.